There's a free tool that shows you exactly what users hate about every app in your niche before you write a line of code. No coding, no budget, just the internet's biggest complaint dump, organized for you. Here's how I use it. Every app already has thousands of people telling you what's missing. It's sitting in the reviews. Most people never read past the star rating. We're going to read the actual complaints and let AI turn them into a build list. First link in the description takes you to an app reviews scraper on Appify. Make a free account, no card needed. You get $5 in credits. That's plenty for what we're doing today. Click Try for free and you land here. 2 ways to feed this thing. If you already know your competitors, drop in their Google package IDs and Apple bundle IDs directly, right here. If you're not sure who your competitors are yet, or want to find new ones, search by keyword instead. I'm doing both today, entering my known competitors and running a keyword search to catch ones I might be missing. Now the settings. Max apps per search, max reviews per app. Sort by newest. That part's straightforward. Countries. I'm picking where my actual target users are: US, UK, Australia, Canada. Here's the one setting doing all the real work. Max score, 3 stars. Everything above that is noise for what we're trying to find. Set that, hit save, and start. While that's running, quick note, each review here is a real person who cared enough to write paragraphs about what's broken. That's free market research most people skip entirely. And we're done. Reviews. Every one of them a complaint. This is the raw material. We're not reading through these by hand. Export as JSON, head to your LLM of choice. I use Claude for this. It's consistently strong at this kind of analysis. Upload the JSON, then this prompt. Swap in your target audience here, and here, turn on web search. Hit run. This is what actually turns a pile of complaints into a build list. So if you're going to pause the video anywhere, pause here and read the prompt. And here's what it found. Turns out the biggest complaint by far isn't accuracy, it's billing. People getting charged the second they finish onboarding, refunds getting refused, cancel buttons that are basically hidden in the app. The one that actually surprised me was gamification fatigue. Users are exhausted by mascots, streaks, and pop-up tips before every single meal. One reviewer said she pays for the app and still gets bombarded with reminders. And that actually gave me an idea. What if I built something with none of that? No mascot, no streaks, honest billing, a few core features free, and only charge for the stuff people are actually willing to pay for once they trust the app. Target exactly these frustrated users. That's not a guess. That's a pattern I'd have never spotted reading 50 reviews myself. This is one of a few techniques I actually use before building anything. You can also set the minimum score to 4 and get 4- and 5-star reviews to understand what users actually like about your competitors, not just what they hate. Or run this same process to figure out what ad hooks and angles are already working in your niche. I'll make videos on both, so subscribe if you want them. Take care. See ya.